Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook business page. All right, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app and tap Menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, tap on the menu icon at the top. Now, scroll down and select Pages. From there, tap Create in the top left corner. Next, select Create New Page and then enter the name of your business page and tap Next. After that, choose a category that best describes your business. Once you've selected the category, tap Create. Your Facebook page will now be created. After that, Facebook will ask you to fill in your business details, including your description, contact information, website, business hours, and any other relevant information. Make sure everything is accurate, then tap Next. The final step is to customize your page by adding a profile picture and a cover photo. You can also invite friends, create your first post, and adjust your page settings before publishing. Once you've completed these steps, your Facebook business page will be ready to use. So that's basically how you can create a Facebook business page. That's it for this video. Thanks.